Men's answer writing. What do you understand by the coral bleachings? Explain its impact on the coastal ecosystem. Define. Define coral bleaching and give example and the status of the coral bleaching, including in India. Draw other simple process diagram of the coral bleaching and then list down and the impact of the coral bleaching on the coastal ecosystem. Marine leaves the livelihood of pupils and dependence, ocean, the health, etc. And briefly, some steps are taken to the rivers and it's both India and the world. And conclude with the what more is needed and very briefly introductions. Where coral are the stressed and by the changes in conditions and such as the temperatures and light or nutrient, and they excel the symbiotics and algae and living in there the tissues and causing them to turn and completely white, and this is called as the coral bleachings. Body coral bleachings have gone through the unprecedented and mass and bleaching event in recent years, including in 2016 and 17 and 20. Some of the causes are the anthropogenic impact over the fishings over exploitations, increased the sedimentation, marine pollutions and nutrient overloadings and ecological impact, high and low temperature extremes, violent storm floodings and such and areas, and explosives, ocean acidification, IEN nano and the southern oscillations and ENSO event predominantly and outbreaks and the epizootics. Status of corals and UNEP and estimated and that about 25 to 50% of the world corals and reef has been destroyed. Another 60% are the under and thread, and recently Australia also the declared mass and bleachings of coral and aid the Great Barrier Reefs and fourth since 2016. A recent study by the Geological Survey of India and JET-SI show and that the massive coral bleaching and up to the 83.6% has been recorded and in the Andamans and Jew coastal areas, including the maximum of 91.5% and for the South Andaman region. Zooxanthellae and in the coral tissues, and zooxanthellae are the experols from the coral tissues, and zoo tissues is dead and the underlying calculus and skeleton is covered in the filamentous algae. Increasing thermal stress and the prolonged and thermal stress. Healthy corals and beijing corals and dead corals. Days to weeks and days to month and water temperatures returns and to the normal, and impact of the coral bleaching on the coastal ecosystem on marine lives and coral reefs and provided the shelters and spawnings and groundwaters and protects from predators, and they also support organism at the base of ocean food and chains and as the reef ecosystem. बिटिया बट्टो कुंडो कुट्टो as reef ecosystem. As reef ecosystems and collapse already at the risk species may and face the extinctions on humans. Some 850 million people live without the 100 kilometers of a coral reef and derive and some the ecosystem benefits from their ecosystem services. Coral bleachings and will the impact their the livelihood and corals bleachings impact people's livelihood and food security and safety. Coral reefs are the natural barriers that observe the forces of waves and storms and surges, keeping the coral and communities safe. On ocean health and beaching, corals also the compounds the overfishing and crisis by removing links in the food webs. The squeezings and the ambulances in the ocean food chains and declines in the genetics and the spatial diversity may occur and when the corals die as a result of bleachings. Tourism. Healthy coral reefs are the attractive and tourism destinations and beachings can affect the locals' economy, ecology and negatively. Steps need to be taken to the minimize and coral bleachings. Minimize the use of the sun screens and active ingredient and fertilizer and pesticides. Promoting sustainable and fishing practices and save the boating practices and methods like the check dams and the rainwater harvesting to stop and surface run and off with and the sediment from reachings. And recycling and proper and the disposals of trace as marine and debris can be the harmful to coral reefs. Reducing carbon and emissions and climate changes and mitigations measures and revival of coral through the biorocks and technologies. India's used this in the restorations of coral in the Gulf of Kutch. Conclusion. An integrated and coastal management plans is need of the owners for the effective management of coral reefs and act and to protect them and from man-made activities is needed. Explain the formation of various islands of India, also highlight and their the strategic importance to India. Briefly give and the geographical and reasons for the formations of two main groups of the island as well as some and the river Rhine island in India's and draw other diagrams showing the process and then give the importance of those island locations. Defense blue economy and the minerals explorations benefit renewables and energies etc. to highlight the controversies and last years about development plan of thus and the island. Conclude. Introduction. The most common at the events and that leads to the island and formation are volcanic activities and continental drift, and there are a few major kinds of island and continentals and tidals and barriers and oceanic corals and riverines and the artificials Andamans and Nicobar archipelago in the ways of Bengal and Lakshadweep. Island in the Arabian Sea are the majors and island groups in India and with different geography. And island of India formation land Swede and headspots and volcanics and thus and the island are other part of and the renewals hotspots and volcanics and they are the northernmost of the Lakshadweeps and Maldives. Chagos of island and which are the part of the best underseas and maintenance range the Chagos and Lakshadweep range and it is the evolved and as the coral island it has the 12th and allots and 3 and reefs and 5 and submerged banking and tectonics and activities and they the formed and due to the collisions between the Indian and the plate and Burma's and Miner's plate and they are the southwards and extensions of the Arakans and Myanmar's and which itself is an extensions of the Purvanchal hills of the Himalayas and accretionally bridge. A and N is the result of accretions of sediments of the oceanics and crushed and scraped from the sub and the ductings. plates and there the subsequent and the uplift about the sea as the rivers and water and carries and silt and with them and they flow long distance and start the depositions and this slits and in the river bed and which over courses of times and result in the formation of riverine island. Two major island group of India has the geographical difference but are the under and the similar developmentals pressures and Arabian Sea formed by the renewal and hotspots and volcanics and corals and India pressure of the migrations and the tourism from the mainland and Bay of Bengal, Narcodam and Iceland and Arctic and volcano and North Andaman and various island Middle Andaman, South Andamans and Duncan and Passage Littles Andamans and 10-degree Channel Nicobar Indra Point and formed by the tactic activities. Strategic importance of islands for India. Location: the Andamans and Nicobar Island lies in the strategic importance zones and means that India with its the growing naval capabilities and could play a significant role in controlling access and the geographicals and locations of Lakshadweep provided the Indian Navy and with the great and outreach around the Western India Oceans and for the patrollings and the surveillances. Defense: the ANI is home to the India's only integrated entry service command of the Army's armed force and the Andamans and Nicobar's command and for the maritime surveillances and enhancing India's strategic and presence in the Eastern India's and ocean it as its and the merges into the Pacific and minerals explorations. Rock and minerals and found on the Andamans Island includes the magnetite and pyrite and the chalcopyrite and the chromites and gold, nickels and sulfurs and coal and the limestones. But in most and the cases there and the concentrations are and sub and the ecosystem tourism and Iceland are the famous and for there the white and sand and beaches and palms and lines and shorelines along with one of the greatest and underwater and biodiversity housing corals and sea and the dwellers and this makes it an all around the tourism attraction. Recent the controversies and Iceland Development Agency formed in 2017 they are the assigned to develop the Iceland with help of private public and partnerships and however there has been allegations of other top downs and approach wherein the concern of the communities has been taken into the consolidations and recent legislatures introduced in Lakshadweep administrations introduced the regulations on animals and the slaters and more than 2 children's acquiring and land for the development purposes and anti-social activities and however and there has been the criticism for their the interferences in food cultures and reproductive and the freedoms land use and self and the reliance of the people. Conclusion: the Iceland are home to different and the indigenous tribes as well as the biodiverse and species of the flora and fauna environment issues and delay and the infrastructure's development in both the Iceland and road buildings and air stripped and constructions and even the building of the jetties and has been the slow or known and the existence. Question number 12. Discuss the major river system of Himalayas drainage and do you think and flooding causes why there's the river system especially in the Brahmaputra valley and is other part of the natural process and therefore the invaluables as well as the essential explain. You may introduce the Himalayas drainage list and down 3-4 major systems and there the measures and explain why does river systems and causes so much and floodings and especially the Brahmaputra river and then and explain the benefits this flooding brings in can and the floodings be avoided yes or no. Briefly explain the conclude and with some and the measures to mitigate the impact of flooding. Introductions. The Himalayas drainage system consists of the rivers and originating in the Himalayas and Trans-Himalayas origins. It further consists of three and river systems, and namely the Gangas, the Indus, the Brahmaputras, and the river system and main body. The major river and systems of the Himalayas drainage. The Indus River system, it is one of the largest river basins in the world, either little, and over one third of the Indus basin is located in India, in the state of the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, and the rest of the portions is in and the Pakistan. The Ganga River and systems. The Ganga originated and from the Gangotri and glaciers and near the Gomukh and in the Uttarakhand and districts of the Uttarakhand, and how rivers and the rights and when it is the originated from the Gangotri glacier is known as the Bhagirathi. In India is 2525 km, which is shared and by the Uttarakhand, and 110 km Uttar Pradesh, 1450 km and Bihar, and 445 km and West Bengal 520 km. And the Ganga river system is the largest river system in India. It is the most fertile regions of India. The Brahmaputra river system. The Brahmaputra originated from the Chamayungdung and glaciers of Kailash range and near the Mansarovar. The principal tributaries of the river joining from the rights are the Lohit, the Devangs, and the Subansiri, and the Jia, and the Bareilly, and the Dhanshiris, and the Manas, and the Torsa, and the Sankosh and Tista. Flood in Brahmaputra Valley, and the Brahmaputra Valley and that and the encompasses and the northeast parts of India and witnessed flood almost and every year. Behind the tale of death and destructions and the perennials and floods in the valley and has been the result of various natures. Intensified and the monsoons and the Bay of the Bengal and has other major influences on the monsoons in the northeastern Indias, and this years and there were two and the coupled and ocean atmosphere phenomena and La Nina in the Pacific Oceans and other negatives and the dipole in the tropicals Indians and oceans. The two and the phenomena and the combined to produce high and rainfall in the Bay of Bengal as other result weeks before the casual monsoons and seasons. Rain had and the already dredged the basin and the volatiles and natures of Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra river is the branded and unstable in its and the entire reach in the Assam Valley expected for other few places. The instabilities of the river is attributed to high the sediments and charges and steep slopes. The rivers also changes courses and frequently, and it's the virtually impossible and to contain it is within the embankment. Large scale erosion of the rivers and the bridge of the rivers and Brahmaputra has the increased up to 15 kilometers at some places due to the bank erosion. It is the estimated that the annually nearly and 8,000 hectares of the land are the lost of erosion. Climate changes the rise in and the global temperatures and create other warmer and atmospheres, and warmer air can and the hold more moistures leading to intense and the blowouts of rain and the eventually floodings and the regions, and further the climate changes is intensified and the meltings of glacier in the Himalayas and which can the enhance the magnitudes of flooding in the northeastern and topography. Assam is home to the best networks of river including the Brahmaputra and the Barak rivers and more than 50 tributaries and feedings them. Assam also the receive and river water from the neighboring state like the Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. The flat topography and large and water flow and result in the undulations of land. Three has been various and the anthropogenic and causes which led and to the flood in the valley. Population pressures leading to the encroachment and over the flood and the plains areas. The population density of Brahmaputra Valley has increased and from the 9 to 29 pupils and per square kilometer in 1914 and 1941 to the 398 per square kilometers in the plain areas of Assam, and as per as the 2011 census and unplanated expansions of the urban areas and repeat the urbanizations has led into the habitations of the wetlands and low lying areas, hill and the shrinkage of forest covers, and further other poor drainage system is also other key and reasons for the waterlogging in the cities, and that the eventually leads to the floodings and constructions and of dam and the embankment of one of the key and uses of floods and in the Assams and regions is the unregulated release of waters and from the dam situations on the upfills and embankment and are the constructions to confine the courses of a river. Other man-made and factors like the deforestation, hill cuttings and encroachment and the destructions of wetlands has also and worsened the flood situations, and thus the floods in the Brahmaputra Valley and are not and the completely natural and but it is and the anthropogenic and as well as which can be and the mitigated and benefits and that the flood and bringings to the regions, and the Brahmaputra river is the thread and to the regions and but is also and the important lifeline. It's and the brings the following and benefits the following benefits to the regions: periodic and the replenishments of the soils and nutriented the Assam regions has and the laterites and soil that is the deficits in the nutrient. Most of the nutrient in this and the ecosystems and are the concentrated in the vegetations of the areas. In the additions to this, the incendied and rains and wash the away and what the littles and nutrient the soils hold. The flooding is necessary for the very survivals of the flora and fauna and for the Kaziranga National Park situated between the Brahmaputra and the Karbi and Anglong Hills and benefits and from the annuals and recurring flood and specials and has the adapted themselves to it. Replenishment and of the water bodies and they the replenish and the multi and water bodies and distributed across the parks and thus the supported rich and diverse and populations of the avians and species. The floods are also the required and to clear out the endangered and vegetations and that the chokes and the water bodies. Shocks the water bodies and flood and the rejuvenated and flood and plain ecosystem all the along the Brahmaputra. Measures to mitigate and the flood damage and interventions to the test.